Hey everybody, I wanted to come to you today to bring you a training video on how to offer the product packs, okay? So pay attention here. This is going to be really important. This sounds like so long ago, when I first started selling Money, which was only like a month ago, I was automatically gravitating towards the lower packages when I was making my offers. And what I found out over time actually was that I was doing my people an extreme injustice by not offering them the top product pack, okay? I had a couple people sign up that I never actually got to speak to that just went on and signed up. And so I never pitched them the higher product pack. And I feel like they missed an opportunity because I didn't reach out and talk to them. So I want to go through this with you a little bit, especially when there's an offer on the table to get the product packs at some sort of a discount. We really need to be offering that to our market partners, okay? So let me go through the script with you really quick, and I'm going to help you understand. I am not a salesperson, and I will tell you that 100 times over. It's funny, I did a call the other day with my whole team there when I was bringing on a new market partner. And when I got off the phone, they all said, "Oh my gosh, you're so good at sales." And I go, "No, that wasn't sales to me. That was, I know that this is the best value for that person. And I want to help her start her business correctly." And so I was not selling, I was educating. And I'm a teacher first, teacher always. And so I think if you can learn why the top product packs are actually better for your new market partner, you'll do a better job processing more of the top value, the top product packs. Okay, so we have several product packs. We have a market partner can get started without any promo for as low as $99. When they buy the $99 pack, they just get some brochures and a few samples. It's really not anything special at all. Then sometimes we have a $199, which is our essentials pack, and then we have a $299, a $399, and a $649, okay? At each level, the discount, the value increases, okay? So let me walk you through as if I were talking to you if you were a market partner for the first time. So I'm gonna do the script with you right now. Now again, this script I formulated based on what I learned about the product pack and what I learned about doing samples and stuff. So this is my script. Feel free to use it, and it works really well for me. Okay, so let's just pretend I'm getting on the phone and you're ready to sign up now. Okay, Jane, it would be an injustice for me not to explain to you the opportunity of the various product packs. I know that you saw our promo of the $49 special, and you're interested in looking at that product pack, which has the 6 items. So let me tell you how that works. This specific value is, you get it for $49. It's $150 off, $150 off, as long as you go out and bring in a market partner and a VIP in the next 30 days. Now, what I want to share with you is that each product pack above that also offers a discount, okay? You guys, you know what? Now let's move aside for a second. You heard how I started that little sales pitch. Now let's do it as if there were no sale, okay? Because I want you to learn this. There is going to be a promo every month. Every month, Monet gives us hey Deb, Monet gives us a VIP bonus option, a VIP incentive. They give us a market partner incentive, and they give us ranking incentives. Okay, so you'll have something that you can use every month. But let's just say we're just going straight off the regular product packs. Okay, all right. So I'm talking to Mary, and Mary is now ready to sign up. Okay, Mary, I have to tell you, it would be an injustice if I didn't share with you information about the other product packs. You are perfectly welcome to choose whichever one you want, but you are starting a new business, and I'm a consultant. And as a consultant, it's important that I consult you on all of your options. Is that okay? Yes. Okay, great. So you have your starter pack. Now, we have several other packs available where you're actually going to save more money, get more products, and for a larger discount. So it's important that I share those with you. I'm going to start with our top one. Our Overachiever pack is $649. Now, I know that sounds shocking at first, and there's a lot of products in that pack. Where else can you start a business for $649? Also, I can teach you how to get that and more back even in your first 30 days like I did, should that be a concern of yours. Now, in the Overachiever pack, you're going to get 29 full-size items. They are discounted, 53% discount. You are getting a $1,299 kit of products for $649. So aside from the sales concept at all, you're getting all this great product that can be used for children, for men. You might have various needs. So let me tell you what I did. I bought the $649 Overachiever pack. And I almost didn't. I almost went for the $399 because I said to myself, there's no way I'm going to use all of that product. And then in talking with my consultant, the one that signed me up, she explained to me that I could use several of the systems in that pack, not just one. So my hair might be breaking off and I might want to use hydration right out of the gate. Or maybe I need to detoxify first. Maybe my hair has got a ton of pile up and I need to detoxify first. I'm going to use the black line. Maybe then I want to work solely on shine and hydration, which I'm doing right now, by the way. Then I'm going to want the hydration line or the advanced hydration line, okay? And which comes in that top kit. Then I might, after my hair starts getting healthy, I might want to try alternating with the volume line, because who doesn't want more volume generally in their hair? So you see each one of those has a shampoo, a conditioner, and a mask or something along those lines that helps with volume or helps with hydration, or, you know, and they all promote hair growth. For me, I stopped shedding 30 days later. So they all work for this kind of thing, but each one has a specific element. Also in that pack, we're going to have hairspray and dry shampoo and styling clay and styling products we can use to try our hair. For me, I'm using all kinds of ones, but I might use the shampoo, the mask, and the conditioner. And then I'm going to put the Rejuva beads in my hair to help with the split ends, because I have breakage and I'm trying to heal those split ends. And then I'm going to use the root lifter in the top of my hair to get some extra volume. And then I'm going to use the Moxie Mousse just a little bit all over so that my hair is not just flat. I want some bounce in there. That's important to me. And then I'm going to use the hairspray and I'm going to go right behind it all with the sculpting taffy and just kind of run it through the edges there, because that's how I like my hair to be. So you can see that I'm using many of those products while I have them because they came in my Overachiever pack. So then I'm still stuck with some extra items, right? I've got a men's line and I'm not married. I've got a children's line. I don't have any little kids. There's the intensive repair line for people that are balding. I don't have that issue. So guess what I did? As I laid out my dream team, I decided who it was that I felt needed the balding line. I mean, that's not just for thinning hair. It's for extreme thinning hair where you can see the scalp. I had that line because it came in my Overachiever pack. I had the junior line because it came in my Overachiever pack. So I found somebody that had kids that I thought might make a good rep for my team, and I gifted her that. And then I had another lady that I really believe is going to kick butt at this, and I gave her, I wrapped it all up in a gift bag, and I gave her a system for herself, and I gave her a system for her husband. So I gave the black line to them. Also, my daughter, my 26-year-old daughter, she is one of those people, she's super picky, and I was trying to get her to try samples, and she was like, okay, yeah, whatever. Maybe when we go to Disneyland, maybe when we're sharing a room, I'll try it. And she didn't seem super excited about it. So I decided to gift her the volume line. And it was it's a gift. She's excited to receive it. And then she goes home and tries it, and she messaged me pictures of her hair right after she used it, madly in love, signed up as a VIP, and a few days later decided to sell with my team, and now she's a market partner. So gifting those items to people that you don't think are just going to be jazzed about a sample is a strategic move. Well, if you have the overachiever pack, you've got the ability to do that, okay? Now, let me tell you something else that is of really extreme value with the overachiever pack. A lot of my team members who did not buy the overachiever pack turned right around a day or two later and bought more products and bought samples, okay? Samples are going to run you about 80 cents a piece. And we tend to sample in 3, like a shampoo, a mask, and a conditioner. So that's going to run you $2.40 for just that, for like a pack of little samples. So if you are going out and buying those to sample, you're gonna spend that much every time you sample somebody. You're gonna spend a couple bucks, right? $2 to $3, depending on what your set is. Well, your top achiever pack comes with 100 samples, and each pack below that comes with less. Okay, so you really are getting the ultimate value on products, the ultimate value with those samples added. So $1,299 worth of full products, plus you're getting a couple $100 worth of samples. Huge. Okay, this is how you want to start off your business. And one more final thing I'll let you know is that one of the ways I will teach you how to get your product pack money back and how to earn money is through bonuses. So I can show you how you can bring on other market partners and have them also purchase the overachiever pack, and you make a commission. In full disclosure, we make bonuses off those product packs. Now, that isn't why I'm telling you to get the top one. It's the best value for you. And I do make a bonus based on each one you get. And when you go out there and sell this, you're also going to make a bonus on each one you get. So it's people do what you do. And if you're buying the overachiever at $6.49, the odds are your people are going to follow you and buy the $6.49. Okay. So you're going to get a bonus of a couple $100. Do that a few times, you got your product pack back. Your investment. Also, you get what's called personal volume, or PV. As you move through your Monate journey, you're going to start ranking up. Each time you rank, you're going to get a bonus. Cash, you guys, bonus. Anywhere from $100 to $10,000, $20,000. You only get those ranks bonuses one time, and every month our ranks start over, and I can explain that as we get further into this. It's not a reset like you would think, but we do start at 0. You're going to move back up the ranks, and you only get your rank bonus one time. Okay, I can teach you how to go get those rank bonuses so that in the first month you can do what I did and get all your money back for your product pack. So let's just say that personal volume is required for to rank up. So if you buy the $6.49 product pack, you're going to get that purchase worth of personal volume, and that's going to count towards your ranking. So that's one of the reasons why I was able to go move up 3 ranks in my first month and make several $100s worth of just rank up bonuses, because I had that personal volume from the product pack. Okay, so you can see why it's important that I tell you all of these things, because it really is in your best interest to sign up for the top package, multiple levels. What do you think about that? Then you pause, you stop, and you wait for them to ask questions. Okay, your overachievers, your people that really understand business, are naturally probably going to take the top one. If they have objections, this is what I do. I say to them, now let's just say I pitch that all and they go, that's a lot of product. That's, by the way, the number one objection that I hear. That's a lot of product. So I say to them, I go, it is a lot of product, and it looks like it takes up more space than you would think. It actually comes in a small box that I was able to just put into the corner of my closet. Now, because of using it and distributing it, I didn't have that box a week later. I used it all. But at first, I thought the same thing. So just boxed it all up. It doesn't take up a lot of space, and I put it in my closet. Now, when I wanted to display it and take pictures of it and make a video around it, it took up my whole kitchen table. But boxing it up was no big deal. And then I had it to gift people, and then I had it to use and to sample. So even if you're not using all that product, you definitely want to be gifting it. Okay? Birthdays, holidays, just because. And then you wait, right? And they'll go, oh, okay. And now it's hard to come up with a lot of objections. So depending on what they say next, I will ask them. I said, let me ask you a question. And as honest as you can be with me, the better I can help you as your consultant and as your coach, which I'm going to be as we build this team. Is it money? Do you not have the money? And if you ask it that way, do you not have the money? Then they're more likely to be honest with you and say, no, it's not that I don't have it. It's that I'm not sure I want to spend it. All right, well, now again, you're explaining the value of it. But if they literally come back and say, I just don't have it, I don't have a credit card, I don't have anything, I stop. I'm not going to try to keep doing that I'm not going to do that to them. Now I need to help them make a decision and move to the next level. And for them, that might be the lowest pack or the $199, $299, $399. Great. If you can, you want your top 3 are your sellers. Okay. Work with those top 3. You also get a bonus on any of those top 3, ranging from $100 to $230. Okay. I made a lot of money on product pack bonuses my first month because I signed up 8 market partners and all but 1 bought a product pack, ranging from $299 to the $649. Okay, so I made my product pack back and then some and then some and then some right out of the gate, not including the rank bonuses and the commissions and I finished in the top 50 and got a $1,000 bonus, all of that. So this is why I'm here today, is just to share with you what that script is. And just keep in mind, guys, you are doing this for them, not for yourself. You are not pitching the product pack to make $200. You're pitching the top product pack because it is the absolute way they should be starting their business. It is the best value. It's the best leverage. It comes with the samples. It gets them personal volume. It's our job as the consultant to make sure that they understand that. Okay. And then let it go. They move on to one lower. You did your job. Okay. But if you don't tell them about it because you're afraid to sell, then you're doing an injustice to that person that could have had the opportunity to start the way I did, or start the way you did, or if you didn't buy the pack, you're probably regretting it. Most of you tell me afterwards that you regret not buying the higher pack. Okay. So make sure that you are using this script. So I am going to put this script now. If you notice, I started building in units to our Facebook group. That's going to be like our course. Okay. So I'm going to walk you through every product. I'm going to walk you through all my scripts. I'm going to walk you through building the business, how to read commission sheets. I mean, that's what I'm here for. So I've started building units into our group so that you can go through them like lesson plans, but bear with me. It'll take me a month to get this built. And then we'll be sailing from there. So these videos I'll be storing in there for you guys to visit again. So that was your script. I hope that helped you. I'm monitoring your progress. So I want to see you guys go get a couple market partners and get those top overachiever packs, and you're going to rank up and get some money. Okay, so let me know if there's anything personal that you guys need, any personal coaching that you need, anything I haven't provided, please reach out, message me, email me. Sabrina and I are here for you, and we are on it, and we want to help you guys succeed. Talk to you guys later. Bye.